All right, today I want to talk a little bit about what's going on in Las Vegas. I see that this particular area here, it's like some construction. I don't know if this is going to be part of Derek's endeavor or what. I have no idea. Anyway, this is at Grand Central. Grand Central. Let me pull back out a little bit if I can. This is at Grand Central, and I'm trying to think of a city parkway or whatever. I don't know these streets change every day almost. So anyway, this particular area here, I guess they was trying to get a soccer team here or something, and I don't know. The city, it appears the city is like out of touch, because Vegas is moving so fast. It's moving like at the speed of sound, and then you have a lot of people that's like living in the 1700s, and they're trying to like, hey, we know what best, we're the expert, and come on, man. So mainly Vegas is moving the speed of sound, and the leadership is just so far behind, and that's why you see it's a lot of problems developing now because the leadership they're just not concerned about the average person anymore. They mainly just want to impress their friends, and that's just about it. All the other problems that come along with with being a city, they just get swept under the rug.